This short video will show you the proper techniques to help maintain the top surfaces on an Uptown fire table. The Uptown has two surfaces. The surface that holds the burner is a fiberglass reinforced concrete top we call Supercast. The mid-level surface is either a marble or ceramic tile surface with grout. To help preserve the finish on an Uptown table, we recommend installing a breathable vinyl cover in the off-season or when the table will not be used for longer periods of time. Before covering, the table should be dry so as to not trap moisture within the cover. You can order a cover designed for the Uptown fire table at outdoorrooms.com, part number CVR6549. OGC recommends sealing the concrete top and tile grout on a regular basis. Frequency of this process depends largely on the environment the table is installed. Regardless of the conditions the table is installed, we would recommend this process at the minimum of once every 2 years. So let's get started. First, wash down the entire fire table with warm, mild, soapy water. Rinse thoroughly and let it dry completely for at least 2 hours. Take care not to get too much water in the actual burner area. This might also be a good time to remove all the media from the burner and wash and rinse them both. To reseal the Supercast top, you will need the following materials: acetone, lint-free cotton rags, a roller pan, a small sponge roller and applicator, and concrete sealer. Extreme care should be given when working with acetone. A safety mask, gloves, and protective eyewear are all necessary for this process. Starting with the Supercast concrete top, mask off the area where the top meets other surfaces as shown here. The sealer that is factory applied on this top is solvent base, so the first step to refinishing is to use acetone to break up and partially remove the existing sealer. This step in effect primes the surface to better accept a new finish. Acetone is caustic and flammable, so follow all the instructions on the acetone label for safe application. Apply the acetone to a soft cotton, lint-free cloth and gently and evenly wipe the surface of the Supercast. Over-applying the acetone may create color blotches, so take care to do this step lightly and evenly. Purchase a concrete sealer that can be purchased at most hardware stores. Using a sponge roller, apply the sealer on the top with long, even strokes. When applied, the sealer will appear wet so you can visually see what is sealed and what remains unsealed. The sealer will dry fast, so work swiftly to remove any excess buildup from the roller. Use a sponge applicator to wipe up or even out any drips. Remove the masking and the process is complete. For resealing the grout on the tile base, all you will need is a tile grout sealer. While cleaning the top, it may be necessary to use a soft scrub brush to remove stubborn stains from the grout. Apply the grout sealer with a small bottle applicator. Wipe off any spills on the tile immediately to prevent it from drying onto the tile. Repeat this process with all of the grout lines on the tile top and let dry. And that's it. You are ready to enjoy your refinished Uptown fire table.